Hi, and welcome to Mike's Little World. Today we're going to talk about tool bags and toolboxes. Here's my bag. It's a regular old backpack that I use, and here it is. Take a look. Here I keep my books, my chip chat books, and examples I use for when I'm carving. Over here I have some carvings right there. It's a little dark to see in there. Over here I keep my tools. This little convenient thing here. Pencils here. Over here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's glasses there, and safety gloves, little roll of tape, my glasses, thumb guards, bandages, dropping items, bookmarks. And that's my bag. Here it is. All open. And in a couple of days I'll have another video coming up about the progress of my new hillbilly carving that I've showed you in the first video about Will Carver's Candy, I believe it was. And take care, and I hope I'll see you this upcoming week. Well, I won't be able to see you, it's just a joke. But take care, and have a great day, and be safe, and keep on carving. Alright? Take care.